Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today our subject is Ara, that is moral story, and our topic is Joy learns a secret, and its value is being a well-behaved child. Now first tell me, who is well-behaved child? A child who respects and obeys to his parents, teachers and elders. He should help them, always share, use polite words, and be humble with everyone is a well-behaved child. What are good manners? Being well-mannered means saying sorry, thank you, excuse me, etc. A well-mannered person is happy and feels good because others behave well with him too. So students, this story is about a little boy named Joy who was always rude and ill-mannered. He don't have manners how to talk with elders. He never says sorry and thank you or excuse me. Instead of, he always give rude answers. His father gave him some work and told him that he will say him a secret. So let's see, what is Joy's father's secret? Let's begin with the story. Joy learns a secret. A little boy named Joy who was always rude and ill-mannered. One day, he was playing with his friend. He pushed his friend and didn't bother to say sorry. Whenever his parents gave him gift, he never says thank you. Instead of that, he often complained that he didn't like it. One day, Joy's father gave him a box of nails and a hammer. Joy's father said, every time you forget to say thank you, sorry or excuse me, you must hammer a nail into a fence at the back of our house. When the fence is fully covered, I will tell you a secret. Joy liked this idea, which seemed like a game. Every time he was rude, he ran to the fence and hammered in a nail with all his force. As soon as his father came home from the office every evening, Joy showed him how the nails he had hammered in that day. After a while, Joy started getting tired of hammering in the nails because the hammer was heavy and it was difficult to handle it. So every time Joy was about to be rude, he would remember the heavy hammer and quickly say sorry, thank you or excuse me. As the time passed, he was hammering fewer and fewer nails into the fence. One day, Joy had no nails to show. His father said, why don't you pull out nails for each day, that you remember your manners? Joy agreed and said, yes, it was easier to pull out the nails than to hammer them in. Soon he went to the fence and removed all the nails. One day, when his father came back from the work, Joy ran to him and said, Daddy, there are no more nails to pull out. Now Daddy, will you tell me the secret you mentioned earlier? Joy's father said, you have done well, Joy. But look at all these holes. You can never mend the fence. Whenever you are rude to people, you leave wounds in their hearts, just like the holes in the fence. Wounds that you cause with your words are as painful as the ones you cause with a knife. The secret is that when you are good to others, they are good to you. And I am delighted that you have learned to be pleasant and polite. Joy thought happily. So that's the reason why everyone in school is nice to me these days. It's because I am nice to them. So what we learn from the story? We should obey, behave well with everyone, and never hurt anyone. Let's see the values of this story. Being well behaved means saying sorry, thank you, and excuse me. Good behavior makes you and everyone around you happy. You are well behaved if you are kind to others and help them when they need help. Say thank you when others help you or give you something. Say excuse me when someone blocks your way. Sit politely at the dining table and finish all the food in your plate. Auto suggestions. I always say thank you when somebody gives me something. I always say sorry if I do something wrong. I always say please when I ask for something from anyone. So student, hope you understand the story and learned its value being a well-behaved child. Thank you.